In Ronald's farm, he uses the drip irrigation system. It might look like the subsurface irrigation, but it is not. In this system, water is discharged through emitters or dribblers attached to long pipes at selected spaces in order to deliver water to the soil surface at the base of the plant. This is unlike the subsurface irrigation where the pipes are simply perforated and water is delivered below the soil surface. In our previous lesson, we looked at sprinkler irrigation as a system, as a type of overhead irrigation. Today, we'll be looking at another type of overhead irrigation, which is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is good because, just like sprinkler irrigation, it is economical in its use of water. It also reduces salt concentration in the root zone. Just like the sprinkler system, fertilizers can also be applied through the system. It works well with slower and arid areas. However, just like the sprinkler irrigation, it is expensive to set up and maintain. This system will not work well for slopy farmland. Water with high salt content cannot be used as well. With this, we have come to the end of our discussion on the types of overhead irrigation. We hope you have enjoyed the lessons so far. See you in the next lesson.